A healthy relationship is going to bring you alive and energize you and make you happy. And an unhealthy relationship is going to erode your self-esteem, disempower you, keep you ruminating, and suck your life energy. We are always growing. We're always learning things. No relationship is perfect. All of that is true. But the net effect of the dynamics can tell you whether you should stay or go. In fact, I have a course called Should I Stay or Should I Go? And in that course, there is a checklist of green flags in a relationships and red flags in a relationship. And when you go through the checklist, you just check which of these things are happening. And then you can have a look at the ratio of red to green. Of course, we always want to work on things, but what you're describing has a net effect of undoing someone, not lifting someone up. You don't really need to know more than that. And anything more complicated than that is enabling the staying. I think a principle that we could teach our children and perhaps work into our cultures is relationships are supposed to energize, inspire, lift us up, help us become more loving, more interdependent, more effective, more connected. If you're stuck in a dynamic and it is bringing both people down, something needs to be interrupted there. That's not what it's meant to be. We're not meant to be in relationships that bring us both into a more fragmented, more fearful state. Yeah. More and more, I feel like we need to teach people what it means to be in a right relationship. Like I think there's a lot of people losing their way a little bit. And I also feel like we need to be talking a lot more about how we interrupt violence or harm without becoming a part of the violence and harm.